This shawl, along with the others, they weren't just gestures. They were part of a cultural system of welcome that flourishes in India. I delivered workshops in 3 different cities, 3 different regions of India just several weeks ago. Specifically Hyderabad, which is the technological center or hub of India. So you've got Amazon, Facebook, Microsoft, other computer engineering companies based there. I was asked to go there to give a talk to the Hyderabad Chamber of Commerce regarding entering the U.S. market, being successful in the U.S. market. And so I was given this shawl, and it was amazing. But what was so surprising is when I went to Calcutta, where I helped create a vocational food school there with Amlin in 2015, going on 10 years there. And when I arrived there, the same thing happened. And so I was presented with this beautiful shawl there in Calcutta. And then in addition, I'll just go ahead and share. I'm going to come back and share some insights on what happened there. And then I went to, whoops, I'm having some trouble here. But then I went to the foothills of the Himalayas, and while I was there, I was presented again, exact same thing. I landed at the airport, and I was presented with this. This is part of the Okri tribe, and I stayed with the Nagarong Zaga tribe in the foothills of the Himalayas and did a hospitality. They're looking to expand tourism, and we did some recipes and cooking along with hospitality training there at the foothills of the Himalayas. So it was very exciting. This was not just a gesture that just happened to occur, but this was a consistent system of welcome there in India. And I just think that was amazing. At the school, I wanted to share as far as the systems and process. We decided that what I would do in Calcutta would be to share a system of checklist and outlines of managing catering events. And so we did a 1-day workshop on that. It's very productive, felt very good about it. But what was so exciting is that sharing that with them, the follow-up, they followed up with me about 6 weeks later. And so not before in their past had they ever done more. A festival for them could be as many as 4,000 servings at these festivals. And so never before have they done more than 1 festival per day. After our workshop, they sent an email all excited about the results, and that for the first time, they were able to do 3 actual festivals in 1 day. So we tripled their throughput by having checklists. And part of the checklist was job descriptions. And so that was just awesome and fantastic. Very, very exciting for me. Very rewarding. Also, I'm very happy for the kids, for the youth, and for Prasad and Prayasam there in Calcutta for being so successful. When I went to stayed with the Nagarong Zaga tribe up in the foothills of the Himalayas, they gave me this, and it was just another shawl, and that I would wear the entire time. But it all reminded me and shared with me that we can do these things in our own food businesses to provide respect to our customers and to share with them experiences of delight and wonder. You can think about, for instance, Starbucks, just placing the name on the cup and calling you by name, and doing that as a system in their business. And there's other ways to do it in different food businesses as well. And I just wanted to share with you very quickly kind of those things that happened to me while I was in India. I was very fortunate and got to visit, had projects in other countries as well. We did I took care of those 3 workshops, and then also ended up traveling to 5 different countries as well on that before returning back to the U.S. So if you have an innovative food product, or would interested to talk to me about anything about the food business or systems or processes for your brand, jump on my schedule at timforrest.com, or jump over onto my calendar at timforrestmarkets.com. Thanks a lot. Thanks for watching.